Did you know spread toe fabric is very difficult to infuse? So I ran into this problem. I'm doing this little panel for a client, a friend of mine. This is the third time I'm doing it. Why? It's because I've never done such a thick panel using just spread toe. This is 2mm panel. And yes, I'm using other carbons on the inside, but the visual layer is 3 layers of spread toe, and never had a difficulty before. But this time, this is the first panel. It literally half of it is dry. So I was like, oh my god, what I've done wrong? So I made another one, and again, same thing happened. So on the third one, I tried, well, maybe I'm not doing the line correctly. So I've done the line all the way across. So it's coming this way. I had a block off, so you slow the infusion down. And as you can see, it's slightly better, but still the same. There's so many dry spots there on the bottom. And then I started Googling, and apparently spread toe is really bad for infusing if you have multiple layers, because the material is so tightly woven together. So in ideal world, what you want, if you want to use spread toe, use single layer of spread toe, and then you use your 2x2 twill, you use your biaxial, something that has a little bit more structure, as in loose fibers on the inside, if you will, so the resin can flow freely. So I'm afraid I'm gonna have to do this 4th time if this one doesn't work out. I'm still hopeful, because it's still under full vacuum. There is no leaks, nothing, but you can see the resin just sort of sits in here because it infused all the top layers, but the spread toe underneath just doesn't want to get infused. And I tried with the roller and everything, and it's just dry as a desert. Anyways, guys, this is a really quick tip for you, if you will, or caution probably. If you want to use spread toe, don't put multiple layers, only use a single layer, use other carbons. For more helpful tips, subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.